Hey, let's make some motoring memories and go for a 1940s road trip. This is Old Times is Not Forgotten, where we like to remember the past. So load up the kids. Oh, and don't forget to turn the stove off, and we'll sit out by watching some 40s home movies and see what it was like on the road in the 40s. Oh, and by the way, there was no GPS in the 40s, so we better get some road maps. And in the 40s, the place you'd go for direction was, of course, the gasoline station. Those helpful garage attendants would show you the way with a smile, wipe off your windshield, check your oil, fill you up with gas. Oh, they'd even check your tires for you. Now that was service with a smile.
Service that is tops, and gas that's extra fine. There's a smile for every mile at the SO sign. E-S-S-O makes your car go. Happy motoring!
These silent 1940s road trip movies were made by a man named Elwood Hoffman, who had the hobby of filming his family. If you like this movie, check out my other two movies, the Roaring 20s Road Trip and the 30s Road Trip. Get ready for fun on the road, and I will enhance these silent movies with some 40s songs. This song is called Across the Road. Well, that was nice. Oh, hey, what? Are you bored? Oh, of course, this teenage boy in the 1940s just wanted boogie-woogie music. Here's the boogie-woogie song, Down the Road a Piece.
Now if you like boogie-woogie, we gonna play. It's just no piano with a guitar and bass. Sit in your seats and don't you move. We're gonna put you in the boogie-woogie groove. Better than chicken fried and bacon grease. Down the road,
Down the road, down the road a piece.
down the road,
Down the road, down the road a piece.
down the road,
Down the road, down the road another piece.
all aboard.
All aboard. Would you like another piece?
I got a load.
Got a load. Could you stand another piece?
Better than chicken fried and bacon grease. Down the road,
Down the road, down the road a piece. A piece, a piece, a very good piece. A piece, a piece, the very best piece. A piece, a piece, a best by test.
what kind of test?
In Hollywood they say a taste test is best.
Better than chicken fried and bacon grease. Down the road,
Down the road a piece.
Oh yeah, all this driving and sightseeing has made me hungry. Just look at these 1940s prices. I'll take a 55-cent cheeseburger and maybe 20-cent fries. Nope, I think I'll get the 60-cent onion rings. And where would you get it in the 40s? Why, you didn't even have to get out of your car. You could have went to a drive-in restaurant and these lovely car hops will serve you.
If you're looking for a mate and you want to make a date with a girl that's never late, we're always at your service. Large and small ones every size. Some are dumb and some are wise. We don't have to advertise that we're always at your service.
In uniform so neat, each one demure and sweet. What we serve will be a treat. Here's a place to eat. So every time you make a call, your tips may be large or small. Sometimes there are none at all. Still, we're always at your service. When you travel near or far, drive up in your motor car. You can sit right where you are, for we're always at your service. If you order chops or steaks, we don't bring you griddle cakes. We deliver in 2 shakes, for we're always at your service. It's always been our boast. We're known from coast to coast, from a pickle to a roast. We're the nation's host. We won't pour soup down your back. Coffee don't taste like shellac. This drive-in is not a shack, and we're always at your service. With the girl that's never late, we're always at your service. Large and small ones every size. Some are dumb and some are wise. We don't have to advertise that we're always at your service.
Well, that was a fun place to eat. Let's get back on the road and listen to 1945's Hit the Road to Dreamland.
Bye-bye, baby.
Time to hit the road to dreamland. You're my baby. Dig you in the land of Nod. Hold tight, baby. We'll be swinging up in dreamland all night, baby, where the little cherubs trod. Look at that knocked out moon, been a blowing his top in the blue. Never saw the likes of you. What an angel, bye-bye, baby. Time to hit the road to dreamland. Don't cry, baby. It was divine, but the rooster has finally crowed. Time to hit the road.
Hey, we made it to Yosemite Park. Let's listen to Sunday in the Park by Red Fox and his orchestra.
Sunday in the park, all week long we keep on looking forward to the happy things we do. It's such a lark on Sunday in the park, sitting in the sun with the trees and grass and flowers everywhere and lots of room to spare. Oh, we have such fun on Sunday in the park. Rich folks go away to the country, you know, when the days get hard. But we all decided that we wouldn't go. We prefer this quiet spot on Sunday in the park. It's our summer home where we can play and sport, our fashionable resort until it's dark on Sunday in the park.
Uh-oh, here's something you should never do. Feed the bears. There was a lot of exciting things you could do on a road trip in the 40s. And exciting places to see. Look at this quick clip about an unusual place to go visit.
Now just sit still, folks. Don't call the manager. The camera never lies. Just watch. Here in the Santa Cruz Mountains, nature has repealed the law of gravity. This weight swings easily in one direction, but not in the other. And when you enter this cabin, you must lean to maintain your balance. But here's the strangest of the phenomena. You can climb the side of the wall and have the sensation of being supported in space. People say that all this is due to a buried meteor or some mineral deposit that causes the force of gravity to be relaxed. North is west to the compass here, and a radio is useless in the area. And as for a ball, why, it just runs uphill.
No 40s American road trip would be complete unless you visited the Grand Canyon. The song is 1949's Grand Canyon Rag. glad you joined me along for this 1940s road trip. We'll end today with a quick trip to Mexico in the 1940s. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to bring home all those souvenirs you purchased on this road trip, like that Mexican sombrero.